Have you ever wondered why you behave the way you do? Or what truly motivates the people around you? Today, understanding the human mind is more crucial and fascinating than ever before. Welcome. In this video, we're diving deep into psychology today, exploring how this dynamic field is evolving, its incredible impact on our daily lives, and what the future holds for understanding the human experience. Psychology has moved far beyond the therapist's couch. While clinical practice remains vital, modern psychology now profoundly influences areas like technology, business, and even public policy. Consider UX psychology, where experts design interfaces based on how our brains process information, making apps intuitive and user-friendly. We also see sports psychologists optimizing athlete performance, not just physically, but mentally, by tackling anxiety and enhancing focus. This broadened scope truly showcases psychology's pervasive relevance across diverse sectors. Technology is not just an application area, it's revolutionizing how psychology is researched and practiced. Advanced neuroimaging techniques like fMRI offer unprecedented insights into brain activity, revealing the neural basis of emotions and thoughts in real time. Furthermore, the rise of AI and big data analytics allows researchers to identify complex patterns in human behavior on a massive scale, helping us understand trends in mental health and social interactions. This integration of cutting-edge technology is opening doors to personalized interventions and predictive models that were unimaginable just decades ago. Perhaps one of the most significant shifts in psychology today is the global destigmatization of mental health. There's an unprecedented wave of awareness campaigns encouraging open conversations about anxiety, depression, and other conditions, fostering greater empathy. For instance, the World Health Organization estimates that nearly 1 billion people live with a mental disorder, yet only a fraction receive adequate care. Modern psychology now emphasizes holistic well-being, integrating mindfulness, nutrition, and social connections alongside traditional therapies to promote resilience and overall flourishing. So, from shaping our digital world to fostering global mental health, psychology today is a vibrant, indispensable science. It's continually adapting, integrating new technologies, and broadening its reach to help us better understand ourselves and navigate an increasingly complex world. If you found this exploration enlightening, please hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more insights into the incredible world of the human mind.